Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jawadul Manzoor Foundation. Today we are learning Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 2, and the unit which we are going to learn today I would like to share you here. This is we have done measures unit 3. Now we are working on unit number 4, statistics. This is also very easy, but it is a little bit tricky, so you should focus on this. Let's go. We will start our lesson. Unit 4. This book is very nice. In every lecture, in every unit, when I'm starting every unit, I'm saying that this book is very nice. It is helping to you to strong your mathematics foundation, very strong. So it is helping to you your mathematics foundation very strong. So you should learn with this book and try to help your kids, try to help your students by using this book. This is very wonderful. After completing this book, I will also try to share some worksheet related to all these topics and a few question paper so that you will be able to solve. Now come towards the point. Today we are learning Unit 4, statistics. Before going to the deep into this topic, I would like to explain to you a little bit what is statistics actually. So here it is written. You can see what is statistics, so that you will be able to know and you will be able to teach your kids very easily with the help of our daily routine examples. Statistics means collecting, organizing and understanding the numbers or the information to learn something. And how it is useful in our everyday life? We use statistics to count how many students are in a class. We use this, which fruit is most popular. Weather apps use statistics to tell the chances of rain. Teachers use to check it how well students are doing in the test. So this is a simple example that how we are using. Again, we can see that in a second way, how can we define the statistics? Statistics help us to collect and understand the number of information, numbers or information. Example, favorite fruits in a class. What we have done, we have collected so many fruits: apples, bananas, mangoes and oranges. Alright, and I have written, you can see I have written apples. We were discussing, here is an example in front of you. You can see examples. This is a daily routine example to learn that what is statistics. Favorite fruits in a class. Teacher is making a table. There is a fruit names: apples, bananas, mangoes and oranges, and there are the number of students. So the apples, how many students like apples? 10 students. Bananas, 5 students. Mangoes, 7 students. And oranges, 8 students. So with the help of this table, we can come to know that how many students are liking the apples, bananas and mangoes by organizing the numbers. So this is called statistics. What can we learn? Most students like apple. From this table, what we are looking that apples liked by 10 people and bananas liked by 5 people, mangoes liked by 7 people and 8 people. So if I am asking which fruit which fruit mostly liked by the students. So we will see the number of students: 10, 5, 7, 8, and here is the 10 is the biggest number. 10 is the biggest number. So what we will see that most students like apples. Bananas are the least favorite fruit of the students. Okay, this is how the statistics help us to understand the information better. For example, with the help of this chart, you can understand easily that mostly students are like to eat apples, and least number of students like to eat bananas. How we come to know? Because we have counted 10 students are liking bananas, 5 students liking 10 students like to eat apples. So the 10 is the biggest number among all of these, and the 5 is the smallest number among all of these. So only 5 students like bananas. So in this way we can come to know that understand the information. We can understand the information better. So statistics helping us to understand the numbers or information. Okay, how it is helping us in our daily life, we will come to know. Because before learning anything, you must know the examples or application, that how can we apply this, and how much it is useful for us. As when we were learning the unit measures, we come to know that in our daily life, in our daily routine, how is it useful. If you will tell to the students to the method, that which method you should use to which method you should use, and then they will start learning, because they will get the interest. They come to know that this is beneficial in this matter, this is much more beneficial. And so in a similar way, we should teach the kids like this. Don't throw the exercises on their brains, that you should do exercise 1, you should do exercise 2, you should do exercise 3. No, don't throw this information to them. Just make their mind on say, build their interest, that this exercise is helping you in this way, in this part of your life. This example is helping to you. So you should say like this to the kids, not only throwing the bundles of exercise on their brains. Okay, so this is not effective way. Count students or twice. Okay, know the weather chances and see what food color is popular. Okay, from the survey report we can come to know that how many people are liking this type of food and this color. So most of the people, which color and which food is liking by the most of the people, so this is the most popular food. We can come to know, check the test or marks or scores. Okay, I think it is helping to you. This little bit definition is helping to you to understand that what is the statistics actually and how it is useful in our daily life. Now we will start working on our exercise. All right, now we are coming back to our unit 468, and also similarly in this book as well, they are not directly giving you exercise, they are giving you little bit introduction, definitions in the form of definitions, in the form of pictures they are giving to you, and then they will start the exercise. They are starting their exercise. Okay, now this is a unit 4. What is this written? We should read the instruction words carefully. Draw a lines to sort the animals into the correct boxes in the Carroll diagram. Okay, this is a box. You can see what is this written? Sports, and no, it's sports. What we will do, we will search the animals which have spots on it. We will put the animals which have spots on it in this box, and which does not have the spots. For example, this one, these animals doesn't have the spots. Okay, so this is a page number 68, statistics, and example 1. All right, example 1, page number 68. We can see so many animals here, and what you will do, and you can see the 2 tables as well. And then what you will do, what you have to do, you have to draw sports. Which animal has sports on their body will go here, and which does not have sports will go here. Okay, now I am telling to you here, I am just underlining that how many, just we have to write how many have sports. It has sports, 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 it also has sports. And the butterfly, so how many are there? 1, 3, sports animal will go here. Okay, so how many animals have sports? I will change the color to write the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many animals have sports? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the why we are writing this 6 in this way in the tally. This is called the tally number. In tally, what we will write? Okay, I will tell you. Here. Okay, I will tell you here that we should write tally. For example, if I'm writing in tally, how we will write? 1, tally 1, 2 lines, 3 lines. I'm writing the number in tally. 4 lines, 5. And how we will write 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 5. And if we want to write 6, what we will do? How we will write tally in here? I am writing 6. What we will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 5 in tally, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is how we will write the numbers in tally. Now we will go towards our chapter. Okay, here we have seen that how many animals have sports. This one has sports, this one has sports, this one has sports, this one has sports. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and this one has sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many have sports? 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we will write 5 in tally. We will write 5 like this, and the 6, if there is 6, so we will make one more line, so it's become 6. So the number of sports, how many have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 animals have sports. Okay, Now what we will write here, no sports. With no sports I am changing the color. 1 2 3 4 5 and again 6. These doesn't have sports, so how we will write? We will write 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 has sports and 6 has not sports. Okay, in this way we have to write the answer of this one. This was the page number 68. This is the first example of a statistic, unit number 4. Now we are going towards the page number 69 and 69, second example. Two animals are in the wrong place in Carroll diagram. Write a ring around them. Okay, what we have to see, there are two tables. You can see 4 legs and no 4 legs. Here it is saying the two animals are wrong here. Here 4 legs. We have to count 4 legs. Lion has 4 legs. Tiger has 4 legs, giraffe has 4 legs, elephant has 4 legs, but it doesn't have 4 legs. We have to draw a ring around it. No 4 leg. No 4 legs means it has 2 legs. It doesn't have 4 legs. It has 2 legs. It doesn't have 4 legs. It doesn't have legs, so it is also in counted no 4 legs. It have many legs, more than 4, so it doesn't have 4 legs. But what we have to draw, we draw not 4 legs, so the hippo has 4 legs, so we have to draw a circle around the number which has the 4 legs, because this is the in this table only the animal must which have only not 4 legs, more than 4 legs, lower than 4 legs, not exactly 4 legs animal must be here. So this is the animal which is wrong here. Okay, here what is there must be 4 legs animals, but this is ostrich has 2 legs, so this doesn't have 4 legs, so it must not be here. So here it is written, we can just put the tick as well, but the instruction word is this, you have to draw a ring around them. So we have drawn the ring around it. All right, what is the next? This unit will show the 2 different ways to sort out the data you have collected. You will use about the Carroll diagrams and learn about the tally charts. What we are going to learn about the Carroll diagrams and tally charts. Tally charts is again very simple thing, but it is saying the different way of writing. Like I have told you, if I want to write 1 in tally, I will not write like this, but I will make just 1 line. If I want to write 5, I will not write like this, I will just make 4 lines and 1 will be in this way, then this is called 5. Okay, in the tally number we will write like this. So this was the page number, let me highlight, this was the page number 69. Now I am going towards the page number 70. Up to now everything is clear to you. Okay, this is the exercise 4.1 is started now. What we are going to cover in this lesson, conduct an investigation to answer non-statistical or statistical questions, record, organize and represent data using tally chart and Carroll diagram, describe data and discuss the conclusion. So this is again very easy things. All right, okay, now we will read this statement. A Carroll diagram used to sort the object according to the whether they have or have not have given features, straight lines, not straight lines, straight sides, Yes, these are this is straight line. Yeah, means straight sides, not straight sides because there is a curve. There is a curve, so this is not straight sides. Okay, they are correctly organized in this table. Now you can sort of the two different things at the same time of this Carroll diagram. It must be triangle and spotty, non-triangle and spotty and non-spotty. Okay, here what we will make any shape, any object of the shape must be triangle, and it must has spots on it, and it must be not triangle. The shape which we will put here, it should not be triangle, but it has spots. Here we will make a shapes, it must be triangle, any color, but not spotty. It does not have any spot. Okay, here we will make the shapes not triangles, means what this should not be triangle, and this should not have the spots on it. So we'll make diagrams here. Okay, do you understand about this? This is also again very easy, but it is little bit tricky, and you should focus on it carefully, and you should learn it all the things carefully. Understand? In first example, what we have to first box we have to, again I am telling to you one more time, spotty, triangle, spotty, not triangle. Spotty means the shape which has spots on it, simple thing. Not spotty, triangles. It should be triangle, but it does not have spots. Not spotty and not triangles mean it should not have spots, and it should not be triangle as well. Okay, all right, everything is clear. This was the page number 70. Now we are moving towards another page. This is page number 71. Okay, here it is also saying that look, I have seen, I was telling to you this book is very nice, which thing I was explaining to you, this table I was explaining to you, it is here already. I was thinking it doesn't have this table, but it has. Fortunately, it has. Okay, Carroll diagram, what we are going to learn, these are few hard words here. Carroll diagram, least popular, most popular, non-statistical, statistical, tally and tally chart. All right. Okay, how we will write 1 in tally like this, 2 in tally like this, 3 like this, 4 like this, 5 like this. Okay, 5 you know that 1 2 3 4 5. If I want to write 6, so I will make one more line. If I want to make 7, I will make 2 lines. If I want to make 8, I will make 3 lines. If I want to make it 9, I will make 4 lines. If I want to write 10 in tally, I will do one like this, because we know that how we will write the tally, how we will write the 5 in tally. So what is this number? I will change the, you have understood that this is the tally, and how we will write 10 in tally. This is how we will write 10 in tally. This table is given to you so that you can learn by heart as well, but it does not need to learn. All right, it doesn't need to learn, but if you want to learn, you can learn, but there is need to understand, no need to learn. Okay, this is called tally chart. Whenever I am telling to you, we were writing in this type of table, we will use the tally number, we will not use the simple numbers. All right. Okay, now this exercise 4.1 has started. Question number 1 is use tally marks to record how many vehicles are there. Okay, there are so many vehicles we can see in the picture: cars, trucks, vans, buses, bikes. So what we will do, first of all, we will count cars. 1, 2. I will change the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cars. How we will write 8 in Teli? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very easy. Now we will write trucks. How many trucks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is again very easy. I will change the color. Trucks I'm writing with the red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will count the vans. Where are the vans? Vans are here. 1, 2. Here are 2 vans. I will change the color. I'm writing the vans with green colors. 1, 2. Now buses. How many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am using another color for buses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want to write the number of scooters, bikes. Okay, we will write the number of bikes. So I'm changing the color. Number of bikes must go with this color. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3. We will not write 3 like this. We will write 3 like this in the tally chart. We have to write in a tally. Okay, this was all about 71 page. Now I am going towards another page, that is 72. Okay, you can stop the video, write the answers of all these, and understand these things. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you can just write me so that I can explain to you again. As you know that the purpose of Jawadul Manzoor Foundation is to educate the people, is to teach the people free of cost. So my purpose is to spread the knowledge free of cost. So if you have any problem, you can ask me, and I will also share to you few worksheets as well. I will share the worksheets link here so that you can solve out the worksheets. And you know that the mathematics is a game of practice, so as much as worksheets you can solve, so try to solve it so that you will be able to learn each and everything. Each and every concept must be clear. Alright, still you have a problem, just you can ask me and write me in a comment box. I will explain to you again and again. But I think there is no need to explain, because already I am making very detailed lecture. So I think there is no need to explain again. Just you can go through this video, you can stop the video, and you can write the answers and understand each and everything. Okay, now I am going towards the page number 72. This is page number 72. What question number 2? Question number 2. A class made a tally chart of the vehicles of the people showing by passing in the school. Alright, we have made the tally chart already. What we have to do, we have to solve this question A, B, C, D. Okay, and this is again very easy. And as I have told you, this is what does it mean? It is 5, it is again 5, it is again 5, and it is 1. So what is this? Thanks the people by walk. Okay, this is a class made the daily chart of the vehicle and the people saw the passing through the school in the morning. That how the people are going to the school and how many people are following the way. For example, by walk, how many people are going by walk? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, and 16 people are going by walk. How many people are going by car. They are using car by going. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 34. I will change the color. 34 people are going by car. How many people are using bus to go to school? There are only 8 people. 8 people are using bus to go to school. How many are using the bike? How many people are using the bike? You can see how many lines? 2 lines. 2 people are going to school by bikes. And how many people use this one? You know that what does it mean? This means is I'm changing the color. Green, blue, light blue, yellow. Okay, this pink. This means is 5 and this means is 1. So it means how many people are using? 6 people are using. Okay. In this way we will write the number here, and now we will read the question. How many people past the school? How many people? 16 people are going by walk to the school. We will use the same color. 16 people. How many people use the cars? How many people are using the cars? We are using 34 people. We have already counted, so we will write here. Okay, how many vehicles pass the schools? Show the total number of vehicles passed as tally marks. So we have to write the number of vehicles. 1. This is going by walk, so he is not using the vehicle. Which vehicle is using? Car, bus, scooter and this. So how many vehicles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have to write in tally marks. We have to write in tally marks, not in the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now what if there are double the number of buses and cars? If the number of cars and buses will double, calculate the total of them showing using the tally marks. If the numbers are double, buses and cars, it will become how many? It will become, for example, there are 3 cars and there is no space. I'm writing this answer on. Okay, try to stop the video here and write the answers. Okay, stop the video and write the answer of this one, and I will write the answer of D in the blank paper so that you will be able to know that how we will write. Question number, this is question number 2. Question number 2, part D, page 72. I am writing this on the blank page so that you will be able to know that how we have to write. This is our blank page. Okay, this is our blank page. What was the question number 2? First of all, I am writing the page number. Page number 72 and question number 2. Part D. Alright, what we have to do? Now I'm changing the color, blue color. Cars and buses. If there are 3 cars, for example, and there are 2 buses, for example, Question 2 part D. Okay. All right. Now cars and bus. For example, oh shit. Okay, question number, page number 72, page number 72. Question number 2, part D. I'm sorry, I cannot write it clearly here, and we have to write the cars. Buses. Okay, we have, for example, if we have, I'm changing the color, if we have 3 cars and if we have 2 buses. So what is the question? Read the question again. What if there are the double number of buses? If we will double the buses, what we will do? 2 multiply by 2, it means it is become 4. And how we will write in tally? 1 2 3 4. In a similar way, it is written that double the number of cars. If there are 3 cars, we will double it. How we will double it? We will multiply by 2. 3 2 is equal to 6. And how we will write in tally? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This is the final answer. This is how we will write in tally. If we have 3 cars, we will double it. What we will do? We will multiply with 2 and then it becomes 6. And how we will write in tally? We will write in tally in this way. We will write in tally in this way. Here the number of buses are 2. If we will double it, there become 2 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. And how we will write in tally? We will write in this way. Alright. Now this was the page number 72, question number 2, part D. Understand? Now we are going back to our book. Now we are going back to our book and then we will solve out all these questions. Okay, hope you are understanding. This is little bit different but not difficult. All right, you can stop the video, write the answers. I am just going back to the book. Now our book is this. We have done page number 72. Now we are moving towards the page number 73. This is the page number 73. This is the page number 73. The question is very easy. Tally chart is given to you. Just what you have to do, that you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. The teacher of class looked at the snack he learners brought to the school. She made a tally chart of what she saw. She used the tally chart to answer the questions. Snacks, fruits, cake, chocolates and crisp. Okay, how many people has eaten the fruit? How we will count? This is 5, we know. This is 5 5 10 and 1 2 3 4. So there are 14 people who have bought the fruit. Now I'm changing the color. Cake, how many people have bought the cake? This is 6. You know that we will write 5 in this way, and this is one line here, so this is 6. Now it is asked about the crisp. Now I am changing the color. The 4 people like the crisp. And chocolate is liked by 8 people. Now this is how you have to write in words in your normal numbers, and then now you will fill out these blanks. Blank number A, how many had fruit It's very easy. We have written already. What we will do, we will just write the same color, 14. Fruit. Okay, how many had the cakes? Cakes is 6. Green color, we will choose the green color. Write the answer of this. How many had the crisp? There are 4 people who have the crisp. Is this difficult? Is this difficult? Is there any difficulty in while you are solving this? How many chocolates? So how many? We will write just the number of chocolates. How many people have bought the number of chocolates? 8 people. Which snack is most common? Now I have given to you example in the when we started this class. I have given to you example. Now I am giving to you example. I have given to you example that the which number is most common. Most common means okay. This is saying that which snack is most common. Let me change the color so that you can come to know. Most common means mostly bought. So we will see that 14, 6, 8 and 4. Which is the greatest number? 14 is the greatest number. Which snack is most common means you have to write fruit is bought by 14 people. So this is the most common. I will write I'm just writing, I'm trying to write full word, but if I'm not unable to write, then you can just write. I'm writing F. F means fruit. Okay, done. Whatever it is written. Now, which is the least common? Means you will see the lowest number among all of these. You will see the lowest number among all of these. So 4 is the least common. So crisp is the least common fruit which has been sold. So crisp, CRISP. I'm sorry, I'm unable to write it clearly, but you can just write from the correct example spelling from your book. C for crisp. Crisp is a least common snack which has been sold. Okay, how many fewer learners have crisp than fruit? How many? Because this was 4 and this was 14. So watch. Okay, now I'm coming back to you. How many fewer learners from the chips? What is the difference between 4 and 15? There is a which color should I choose? Another color, pink. Okay, 10. What is the answer of this? 10. Okay, then how many more learners have chocolate than cake? Chocolate have 8 and cake has 6. So this how it means that what is the difference between cake and chocolate? So there are differences 2. So we will write answer 2. All right, done. Okay, now here is a Carroll diagram. Write the number in their correct places. In the 5 times table, not in the 5 times tables. All right, you have to see these numbers. You have to see these numbers and you have to write here in the 5 times tables, not in the 5 times tables. Okay, 19 is 5 times tables? No. Okay, I'm choosing 2 different colors so that you will write. I'm choosing red for 5 times tables and another color I will choose for the not 5 times tables. 19 is in 5 times tables? No. 21 is no. 35, 5, okay. 2 is not 5 times tables, 16 is not, 9 is not, 30 is in 5 times tables, 10 is in 5 times tables, 41 no, 45 yes, 7 no, 25 yes, 60 yes, 60 can come in 5 times tables, 100 can come in 5 times tables. So what we have circle, which numbers I have circled you will write here, and which are remaining numbers you will write here. Okay, this all about this question. If you have any problem in this question, means you are not understanding that what we write here and what we will write here, so just write me. So I will write in a plan manuscript and then share to you the picture of this. All right, so this was the page number 73. Now we are moving towards another page. This is page number 74. Okay, choose. Now we are doing page number 74, question number 5. Choose 10 two-digit numbers less than 50. Write in the boxes. We can write any number, 10, 12. We can write 15, we can write 19, two digits number but less than 26, we can write 30, we can write 32, we can write 35, we can write 41, 41, we can write 45. All right, all these numbers are two digits number, 10 plus two digits numbers, and these are less than 50. Now what we will do, we will sort out these numbers in the Carroll diagram, even number and in the 5 times tables. Okay, it must be, number must be even and it comes in a 5 times table. So first number is 10, this is even as well, and this is comes in 5 times tables as well. Now 12, no, 12 is not, 12 is even but 12 cannot come in 5 times table. 15 is comes in 5 times tables but not even. Now 19 is not in 5 times tables, 26 is not in 5 times tables, 30 comes in 5 times tables and also the even number. Okay, so we have written only two numbers are here which comes in a 5 times tables and they are even as well. Okay, comes in a 5 times table but not even. I will change the color and I will write the numbers which comes in a 5 times table but not even. 15, okay, 35, all right, 45. These are the numbers which come in a 5 times tables but not even. Here what you have to write, not in the 5 times tables. Which number not come in the 5 times tables but even? This number must be even. but not in the 5 times tables. This is 12. 26. This is even but not in the 5 times tables. Okay, I'm changing the color. 12, 26. Okay, these are two numbers which are even but not in the 5 times tables. 32 as well. 32 is also even but not in 5 times tables. Not even, not in 5 times tables. Okay, 19 not even and not in 5 times tables. So I'm checking. 19 is not even and not in 5 times tables. And 32 is even but not in 5 times tables. 41 is not even and not in 5 times tables. Alright, so in this way we will write these numbers with from whatever we want to write here, and according to this we will make the Carroll diagram like this. Alright, now the question number 6. Arun did a survey. He did a survey to see how many of the friends could swim and ride a bike. He showed the result in the Carroll diagram. Can swim 5 plus 2 7 means 7 can swim. We know that the number this means is 5. So 7 can swim. Cannot swim. 5 plus 1 6 cannot swim. 4 can ride a bike, and 5 can ride a bike, they cannot swim. So here we will write the answer. Children can swim. We will write the answer. 7 children can swim. Children cannot ride a bike. Cannot ride a bike. How many children cannot ride a bike? You can see 4 children cannot ride a bike. Now the question number C is children cannot swim, cannot ride a bike, cannot swim and cannot ride a bike. How many children? There are 5 children. Okay, children, not children's. Children is already plural. Child is singular and children is plural, so we will not add s. Okay, 5 children cannot swim, cannot ride a bike. Dash children can swim and can ride a bike. They can swim and they can ride a bike. Alright, so 7 children can swim as well as they can ride a bike. So this is the answer of page number 74. This is a complete explanation and answers also. So try to do this at your home with your kids. Try to do in your school with your students. If you are a teacher, if you are a parent, these lectures are mutually beneficial to all of you. For the teachers, for the students, for the parents, this is very much helpful. Now this is a page number 75. Now the page number 75, question number 7. What is your favorite color? Ask 10 learners in your class. Use daily chart and write the answers. So this is the activity for the students, or you can do with your students, or you can do with your children. Okay, write 4 things and show as usual. Ask 10 learners in your class and how they get to and from school. How you will record the answers. Explain why you that choose. I will write the answer in Tally and I will choose the Carroll diagram. You can write this one. Okay, this is the activity. You will do it by yourself. Again, if you have problem, you can ask to me. Write what is the same, what is the difference. So you have to write the same or difference between these things. Now let's investigate. Look at the partner, make a tally chart, how you record each number on the dice land. Throw a dice 10 times and record the numbers you throw. Okay. 1 dash was thrown the most. It was thrown dash times. Okay, you must have a dice with you and then you should throw. Number 1, how many times it comes. For example, I'm just writing randomly. 1 comes 3 times, 2 come 5 times, 3 come 2 times, 4 come 1 time, 5 come 3 times, 6 comes 6 times. Dash was thrown the most. So which one has thrown the most? It was thrown dash times. Means 6 was thrown the most and this was thrown 7 times. We should do 7 times so that there must be difference. 7 times, and it has thrown 7 times. Okay, it should be the answer. It should be right like this. Stop the video and write the answer. Okay, the second question is, do you think that the number will show the most if you throw the dice 20 times? Complete another tally chart and write. 1 comes 5 times. We will write by ourselves. Okay, 2 come 4 times. 20 times if we are throwing the dice, then this is the result. 3 comes 3 times. 4 come 5 times. And 5 comes 7 times. And 6 comes 2 times. All right, this is how we are making the tally chart. Now we are solving. Dash was shown the most. Which was shown the most? 5. So we will choose the same color. You can see 5 comes 7 times, so 5 was shown the most. It was shown, how many times it was shown? 7 times. All right, this was shown the least, 6. We will use the same color, 6. How many times it shows? 2 times. You can see 1 2 times. So this is shown least. So stop the video, write the answer, then we will go towards the another page. This was all about page number 76. This was all about page number 76. Now we are moving towards page number 77. This is the page number 77. Now in the end, what we have done, I can conduct and investigate the answer non-statistical and statistical question. Yes, I can do. I can record the error and organize and represent the data only the tally chart and Carroll diagram. Yes, I can describe the data and discussion conclusion. Yes, conclusion I can also discuss. Now this is the progress. Check your progress. There are 8 girls have 8 kids, own cats, and they don't have kids. 3 doesn't have own cat. Boys, 5 boys has own cats and 7 boys does not have the cat. Okay, question is, girl who own a cat. How many girls have own a cat? We will write in tally. This is written 8. How we will write in 8? We will change the color. How we will write 8? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Easy. Now I am changing the color. Girls who do not own the cat. How many girls? You can see these are girls and do not have the cat. 1 2 3. All right. Boy who own a cat. Now we will choose another color, green color. Boy has 5 boys has own cat. 3 4 and 5. All right. Now the boy who doesn't own a cat, 7 boys does not have a cat. So how we will write 7 in tally? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So in this way we will write. Alright, now I'm going towards, this was the page number. You can stop the video, write the answer. Okay, now I'm moving towards another page. This was page number 77. Keep it in your mind. Now I'm going towards another page. This is page number 78. Oh, this is page number 78 and this is the last page of this exercise. This unit number 4. How many children have cats? How many children have cats? How many children have not cats? How many children altogether? And write down the labels in Carroll diagram. Okay, the last question, last page, the question which was on the last page was 77. We will continue from this question. We will write the answer of this question from the basis of this. Okay, how many children have cats? So how we will write the answer? 8 girls and 5 boys have their own cat. How we will write the answer? We will use the method of addition. 8 will be in your mind and 5 is in your hand or in your copy. 8 after it what will come? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many children have cats? 13. Question number, how many children have no cats? Now I am changing the color. 3 girls and 7 boys does not have cats. So what you will do? Again you will do the addition and you will keep this big number in your mind. Keep this bigger number in your mind and the smaller number in your hand or in your copy. 7 is in your mind and 8, 9, 10, 3 is in your hand. So this is how many children have no cats? 3 children does not. I'm so sorry. 7 is in your mind and 3 is in your copy. 8, 9, 10. So how many doesn't have cat? 10 children does not have cats. How many children are all together? How many children are all together? So what we will do? We will just add both of these. This is easy. 3 is here and 2. There are 23 children all together. When you have a word all together in your question, so it means that there is a which strategy you are following. You are following the addition again. How many children all together? So there are 23 children. You will just add all these numbers, or you can just do 8 plus 5, 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 7, 23. So altogether total numbers of children are 23. All right. Okay, add number on your choice in the boxes. These are the numbers are written, just you have to write. These are, for example, this is these are girl, these are boys, and they girl have on mobile on. We can just write mobile and no mobile. These are girls, these are boys. Now I'm changing the color. Mobile and another color is blue. No mobile. Okay, so mobile and no mobile. In this way we can write, you can just, I have written this one and you can write anything of your choice. So this is all about the unit 4 statistics. So I think it is not difficult for you. We will also solve out this from the workbook as well, so that you will get more answers and you will get more questions for practice, and you will clear your concept more and more. So this was all about this. We will if you have again any problem, you can just write me. I will explain to you again. Hope this is wonderful. This was a wonderful lecture for you. Best of luck and stay with Jawadul Manzoor Foundation, so that you will get more and more benefits and more knowledge. Okay, thank you so much.